right, so we just got some new floor mats and we're gonna unbox them and see what we think of them. Oh, that's nice. This is the rear floor, which I'm gonna put down underneath there. Perfect. And then the fronts. So these are all laser scanned, and then they print them out, I guess. I don't know, they press them. These are pretty cool. Nice and thick. Good quality. And they've got the factory connecting points. So, sweet. Looks good. So one of the main reasons we decided to get some new floor mats is I've worn a hole through this. There's a hole all the way through. Apparently I got a heavy foot. I don't know. That's what these are for. So you just take the stock one off the hooks, pull that bad boy out, throw it down. At this point, I would recommend you vacuum the area and then put in the next unit. But before that, we're gonna check and make sure that we got good fitment. Very nice. All right, so these floor mats are for a stock Nissan Frontier. Obviously, this is not completely stock. We have a subwoofer underneath the seat, so I will have to modify this a little bit. But on any stock Xterra or Frontier, these should fit in perfectly. So now we're going to install the passenger side. Should be nice and easy. There's only one hook on the passenger side, so you just pop that off. Pull it out. Take a new one. And on the passenger side, because it's completely stock over here, it fits perfect. This is really, really nice. I'm super impressed with the quality of this product.